Hey guys, Dani.
I'm Morgan.
I'm Sam, and we're the React Pack, back with more That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Today we are on Season 2, Episode 22. On the previous episode, all the Demon Lords are arriving to Walpurgis. We're getting introduced to them individually as they walk in. So it's been really cool to see everyone. Some new ones are like Dino and Dagrel. And then Valentine came in with a assistant who's actually shown to have more demon energy, they said.
Yeah, it was like
her aura is like stronger, so we're thinking that's the one that Veldora was talking about, right?
Yeah, because her silhouette looks similar to the silhouette that showed for Veldora.
Yeah. And then Shuna, Seol, and Hakuro came across Adelman on their way to Clayman's castle. Adelman is the index finger that Clayman has control over. Now they turned him into a Rimuru simp after defeating him and all his skeleton army buddies and the skeleton dragon or death dragon. So that's pretty cool. He seems like he'll be a kind of funny, goofy character now. And yeah, anything else?
Mm-mm.
All right, before we get started, make sure you check out our Patreon for full uncut reactions and early access. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every time we post a new video, and you can check out our merch by going to thereactpacket.com. Pretty. Guy Crimson. I'm my guy. I'm just kidding.
She's not acting like herself. Giant the earthquake.
Roy Valentine.
He looks cool. Sleeping.
Oh, then his eyebags.
Sky Queen. Boo!
Boo, you suck!
He's even like petting the cat, like the evil villain-esque thing.
Okay, that's all 10. That's 10 with him. Slime.
Ew.
Is that thing alive?
Attention.
Yay. No. Oh god.
Oh, this is so awkward.
So annoying.
Look at that acting. Yeah.
Oh. This is so... I mean, like, secondhand embarrassment. One thing.
He is a liar. Yes.
Dani. Everyone raises their hand.
Stupid laugh. Oh my god. Oh.
Ew.
Oh, freaking idiots. Oh god.
Oh shit, I didn't know you had video cameras.
You got video evidence. That
Hogwash.
is not true. Don't listen to me.
I actually don't know if I was excited about this. This is awkward. No one cares.
Oh god. You didn't get his story sorted out.
No, literally nobody cares. Awkward.
Oh, he said your story stuck.
Uh-oh.
What was it?
What? Oh shit.
No one likes you, Clayton.
Clayman suck.
Yeah, like, oh, we someone here.
Oh. He doesn't have his own strength. He has to borrow it from everybody else. Oh, come on, dude.
Rip the necklace off.
Always. Can't fight for himself. So it's 2 against 1. Oh my god, this guy sucks.
I want her to come back so bad.
I know. Oh shit. No.
This is.
Bruh.
Jesus Christ.
Look at everyone. Oh!
Oh my god, that's so fucking funny.
Keep going.
Oh, his face.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it can't be that easy.
Aww.
Oh, yeah, his own little pupper.
It's Nine Tails.
I know, it's cute. It's like the one
Yeah.
that Leon killed the girl that was holding him.
Oh.
Come on.
What the fuck is that?
Well, they said he was a marionette, so it's probably his
Yeah.
little puppet.
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
like, come
yeah,
on.
yeah.
Alright. Oh, they look cool though. The
Yeah.
Nine
famous
Tails.
Nine-tailed subordinates.
His little bunny rabbit.
Everyone's just like watching. Must be nice.
Oh,
You
shit.
didn't finish submitting everything.
Yeah. Wait, I wasn't done yet. I want to choose you as my Demon Lord partner.
No! Millim's your BFF! The necklace!
God damn.
Fucking guy, he's just like, yeah, this is entertainment.
Why?
A little too late there.
What? Oh.
Yeah. I was gonna say, because remember who made her. Okay, fair. Kind of a little hurts the ego a bit, though.
Yeah.
Oh, she doesn't care.
I mean, I guess it makes sense. He did create
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
Aww.
All right.
I mean, he has like a puppet. Too,
Yeah.
So.
She's scary.
She is scary. Look at him just standing there. God, he's so annoying.
It really is. I want Frey to just be like, it's a necklace.
Right?
episode's probably gonna end soon. Yeah, you fight the other one that looks just like you.
Yeah, once Milim snaps
Come
on
on,
it, she's gonna be
it's shining.
pissed. Right there! Ugh.
Not finished. Oh wow.
Did that work?
Oh, okay. Oh, fuck.
Gosh, she's so fast.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
God damn.
Oh! How did he get there? Love it, though.
Oh!
Oh,
How did he get there?
Oh, he must have sensed he was in trouble. You could punch
Should
him
have
back in the
accidentally
head.
summoned him.
I love him. I'm glad he's there, because what the fuck? How does Clayman have so many people on his side? It's not fair.
Such a fucking puss,
I
man.
know.
Yeah, the beginning of the episode was embarrassing. I'm like, oh my god, he's just going off and off. No one, and everyone's just like,
No one gives a fuck or believes him.
like, okay, cool. Can you do this yourself though?
And it's like, even if they did believe, or if it was true, they don't
Care.
Yeah, they're all just trying to chill, like, do their own thing, and, like, Clayman's here, like, he did all this to me, and blah, blah, blah. It's like, alright, and what are you gonna do about it? You have to fight him.
We
I
gotta
will.
kill him.
Like, he can't ever fight on his own. He's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna fight. Milim, please help.
Hee hee.
And it's like, they came all that way. It's like, might as well get a show out of it.
Yeah.
I just can't wait until I just see whenever Milim comes back, she's just gonna be like, remember, and then
Yeah.
everyone's gonna see that. Like, well, at least that's what I'm assuming. Clayman's gonna look stupid. I
Yeah.
can't wait.
I can't wait, because she's gonna be pissed. She's gonna be, what the fuck, and then just
And
fight him.
She's probably gonna, she'll probably kill
It
him.
wouldn't be a fight. It'd be like a dead.
Yeah. I love how Shion fucking
Decked him.
punched him so many times. He's just, like, laying there on the floor.
Didn't even throw up any defense. Like,
Yeah.
he didn't try to block it.
He didn't.
Like a little weenie.
Yeah.
Weenie Head Jr.
Just standing behind that guy as he fights.
I like the sleepy one.
Yeah.
He just fucking fell forward.
When the table disappeared.
Yeah.
Oh.
God, that's a moon. Oh.
Baby! Save him.
Oh, no.
But Guy is taking a huge interest in him.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was... What did they say about Noir? Noir? Is that the demon that went inside Beretta?
That's what.
I was saying they have like some kind of relation.
Yeah.
Oh, or relation. Okay.
Did they mention that name before? Why does that?
It's Noir.
They have.
I feel like they have
thought.
mentioned Nora earlier, but I forget in what context.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that name. That's why I was asking. It was like, maybe it was that one that.
Because I was reading it and thinking Black Nora from the
Yeah.
boys.
Yeah, me too.
Same.
Me too.
I feel like it was at the end of season 1, right? Maybe.
Was it?
Maybe.
Does it have anything to do with Diablo? He seems to be one of many names.
Oh, true. Maybe. Yeah.
Because he was calling himself Kuro before he was named.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I feel like there's still more going on with that guy.
We can look up Noir. I feel like Ramirez brought it up, right?
Oh, maybe
Ramirez.
Ramirez.
Oh.
Ramirez.
Maybe.
It brought up Diablo.
Ah,
So.
that sounds right. That's what I was thinking. I just couldn't remember.
Probably someone. Because he's a
He's like a
very powerful demon.
demon. Yeah, there's.
Yeah. So
Was
that's,
even
like,
more
one of his
power-
names or something?
Says alias/nickname.
Mm.
Let me see.
Is Nora just another way of saying? What does Nora mean in French?
I thought it meant black.
It does it so. So in Black Nora is just black.
Oh.
Well, that makes sense because then Kuro is just black in Japanese, so I guess it's just different aliases.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to see like when it was brought up. Okay, finally when Rumor did another great.
Oh yeah, someone also on Patreon explained how a demon lord is a title, but then a true demon lord is like a race change kind of thing.
Oh.
Someone explained that to Patreon.
Oh.
So you can probably declare yourself a demon lord by like showing enough power, like getting that status.
Mhm.
But then to become a true demon lord is probably what Milam and Rimur are. I don't know if anyone else is. Well, I've seen guys also a true demon lord as well.
Yeah, so I guess Diablo has a pretty heavy influence of guys like, oh, okay, yeah, if this guy's, has ties with Rimuru.
Yeah.
Not to like go back to that, but.
No, you're good.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And what were you just saying?
Oh, just about the demon lords, how like
Yeah, okay.
I'm assuming not all of them are true demon lords.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Because wasn't the Valentine's, the person who came with Valentine, that's when Rimuru was like, oh, that's a true demon lord. So I guess Valentine is maybe just a demon lord, and then the person he came with is
maybe.
a true demon lord.
I wonder why she came as like a guest instead of a demon lord.
She's probably just trying to lay low.
Maybe. She looks cool though.
Yeah.
She had like heterochromia.
Yeah. It was like one red, one blue eye.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's always cool with the character design.
That is cool.
Anything else?
Mm-mm.
No.
All right, guys, make sure you check our Patreon, Discord, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.